Now, if you just get a Windows 11 computer, then by default, Microsoft Edge should be your default browser. But if for some reason this is not the case and you would like to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. Now what you want to do is find Microsoft Edge on your computer. So if you click the Windows button there in your taskbar and type Edge, you will see it. However, as you can see, I have it pinned here, so I'm going to simply open Edge. But if you don't, just simply type Edge and you should see Microsoft Edge. You just want to simply go ahead and open it. Now once you're there, go ahead and click the three dot in the top right hand side. Then go to Settings. Then on the left hand side, you should see Default Browser. You want to click on this. And then you will see this button, Make Default. So go ahead and click that. This will take you into your default apps. And here you should find Edge. So as you can see here, it's Apps, Default Apps, Microsoft Edge. Then all you have to do is just simply click on Default. And you'll notice that everything here is changed to Microsoft Edge. And if there's additional things that you'd like to set as default, for example, PDF, you just want to simply click on it and select Microsoft Edge and then click Set as Default. Once you're done, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and close out, and that's all you need to do. And from now, you should have Microsoft Edge set as your default browser. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and feel free to join the community by clicking the subscribe button below. It's absolutely free, so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.